This video I'm going to show you how to fix low quality video on your TikTok. So I'm going to open my TikTok. Once you open your TikTok, the next thing you need to do is sorry for that, guys. Okay, so this is your home. What you need to do is click on your profile. Click on your profile here. Sorry for that. Click on your profile. My network is doing shit, so sorry that. So after that, you click on your profile, or you click on wait. I think it's network fire that. Sorry for that. The next thing you need to do is click on this your three line dot. Once you click on it, the next thing you need to do is click on settings and privacy. Okay, so after you've clicked on settings and privacy, the next thing you need to do is okay, you can see. So the first thing you need to do is now go to your free up space. So once you click on your free up space, you can see click on cache here, clear. Click on clear. After that, go back. Click on data saver here. Now make sure your data saver is not on. You can see my one is currently low. It's currently off. So make sure you off it. So that means it's going to give you a high resolution of quality video. You get it? So if you put this as on, it's going to be low. You can see videos may be at a lower resolution or may take longer to load. So make sure you always put this thing as off. Once you off it and you have also clear your cache as I show you now, then automatically you can see automatically you're going to have a very high quality video showing on your TikTok. So I'm going to go and show you. You can see it's very clear and it's very good. You get it? So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.